Both my mom and my brother came to BOCES, and I've always really been into like criminal minds and NCIS, so I really wanted to take criminal justice because I knew it was something I'd want to further do in the future.
Well, I would say my teachers definitely helped because he's gotten a sense of like what colleges want to see out of the program, and also my fellow friends and students. They helped me become better in this field of work and really learn new aspects of it.
Well, it's gonna help me in college once I go because I already know like a lot, so I'm not gonna have to relearn everything. I'll just remember it.
Like age 10, I said I want to become a cop. So we moved here from Georgia. I moved here age 11 or 12. And I realized I wanted to be a trooper, and that's really where this got me.
I feel like all the hands-on work that we learn here is very important for our education because you can read a book and you can write and do tests, but the real hands-on with handcuffing and fingerprinting really makes the education better. It's helped me really figure out that this is what I want to do. So it's helped me feel more confident in graduating from high school and going into college.